Alright, got it to fire up. There's the computer still. Once I get it fired up and running, I'm going to put everything inside the car. You can see right there's a connector for the 2.2, and that's the 3.4 computer. All I had to do, basically, long story short, if you have a complete wiring harness, you need to take the pink wire from the coil pack and power it up, and the orange wire that goes to your computer that powers your computer, as well as the little purple wire that's right beside it, right here. So you got an orange one and a purple one. These two wires right here, like 19 and 20. Power both of those ones up. And what I did, just to get things rolling here a little quicker, I put these two, they're running off this fuse right here. Powered all that up, dumped some gas down this hole right here, because I don't have a fuel pump hooked up to it yet. My fuel pump's sitting over there on the bench. I just bought some fuel line. I gotta get that all hooked up, and that'll be done. Run a couple more brake lines, bleed the clutch, a couple little other things, build an exhaust, put the radiator back in. Oh, I gotta order a AC delete pulley too. $40 from AutoZone. Alright, I'm gonna go get some gas and dump it in there, and I'll fire it up for you. It's alive. I had that little rubber piece in there holding the throttle down so I could throttle it a little bit. Yeah, I'm just doing is dumping some fuel down that hole right there. Temporarily, just to get it to fire up. Alright. So I feel satisfied enough right now that I'll hook the fuel pump up, fuel lines. Then I get to put all this wiring and 2 computers in the car. That'll probably happen next weekend. And I wanted to mention that these 2 purple wires here, one was from the 2.2 and the other one's from the 3.4. That's just the crank wire from the ignition, sends a signal to the starter to crank. That's all that is, and I just have it jumper together right now temporarily. Alright, I guess that's it. Alright, I'd just like to point out the purple wire that I found that needed to be powered up next to the 20 and 19, whatever numbers they are, I can't remember. This is the wire that goes there to the computer. What I did is I just cut it, and from my other connector that goes to my computer that I will have hooked up, it was a pink wire. This pink one, your configuration is going to be the same. It's going to be orange and purple And on this one, it's 2.2. It's orange and pink. This pink wire is the one that I spliced together with the purple wire. There, see that? Just to get it to run. Alright. I just wanted to make that clear as to which purple wire. And this is from a 99 Alero 3.4.